What's up, everybody? Y'all might can't really hear me. The wind's blowing pretty good, but beautiful morning out here on Bimini, Bahamas, day 2. Had an awesome day yesterday. Big hookups on a lot of really big fish. Caught dolphin, triple tail, tuna, jack crevalle, just a lot of fish. Awesome time. So we should do even better today. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm pumped. It's 6:30. We got up at 5:30. We've been messing with some fish. Willem caught a big amberjack already today. But got some storms around, but it's beautiful. And we're gonna see if we can catch them again today. We should, no doubt about it. Dude, look, hey, throw that jerkbait out there, Pam, it's loaded. Woo! Look, right here behind him, Just throw it right down there, Willem. You're gonna get bit. Just drop it right there. You about to get lit up. Yeah, about to get.
Nice fight, bro. Throw this shit on top water.
Get in here.
Hey, that's what that popper's for, dog.
That was, dude, that was awesome. Is he on?
Yeah.
Oh, here, wait, hey, where's those pliers at? I saw him blow up behind it. Nice fish too, whatever it is. Feels good. I mean, a nice fish, dude. Yeah, that's a nice freaking fish. What the hell I got?
The rocks, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, he's going for the rocks. Oh, gosh. Woo!
Yeah, take it out there, Captain. Take it out deeper water. You want to get them rocks. We get him, Willem runs him into the tree. Like, Willem run into the fucking overboard. I had a different idea, and because it wasn't the same idea, I was getting yelled at, which caused me to run the fucking fish into that. I turned the boat right to go left.
I don't know, dude. He is ripping drag. I'm not real sure.
You're right, I should know better than that.
See some color.
It looks fishy here.
Whatever it is freaking
Oh no, yellowtail.
yellowtail, baby.
Yellowtail.
Yellowtail.
Yellowtail. You know what? I say we drop.
Dude, a nice one, dude.
Oh no, it's not a yellowtail.
That's not a yellowtail?
It's not a snapper, but it is. It is yellowtail.
Yeah. I don't know. That dude, whatever it is freaking strong, dog.
You're having fun with it, man.
I'm telling you.
There it is.
That dude is strong. Dude, awesome. That's a beautiful fish. Oh God, there's more behind it. More behind it.
It's a jack. Jack. Strong, aren't they?
Yeah, man. Got it, baby. Yeah.
Don't break that on. Don't break that on. Beauty, baby. Nice fish, man.
Woo, dude, he blew up on him, man.
That's a big jack right there, man.
Sweet. Yeah, get him if you don't mind.
Good job, Kevin.
Man, you know I love that
Fish, dog.
top water.
Let's throw the anchor right here, man. You want to? You want to roll? No, let's roll. So many do this all day. This would be a good spot to come do that. Let's get some food and come back. You don't know about it, right?
Woo! Hey. Let me fire one more. Yeah. Beautiful fish. Sweet. Okay, go ahead.
Right?
Check it out.
Put on the edge like that. Put on this edge like this again. Then I'll just put my fingers between here. And then watch what I'm gonna do. So easy. Guys, take forever to clean this shit. Cut the fillets off. Just flick your meat those. Perfect fillet. Only bloodline has got us right there.
Okay.
Take the bloodline off and then you're good. Bloodline off. Cut out the bone. Section here. Section there. This guy's 10 hours to do this shit.
I don't know if it'd take 10 hours, but we couldn't do it that quick. That's pretty sweet there.
That's your fish. That's your fillet.
Nice.
Like white like a lobster.
Nice. Dude, check that dude. He hooked it up, man. He did it up. He did it up.
I'm in the Bahamas.
Sweet.
My first time in the Bahamas. I'm SHAMMY from Bimini, Bahamas.
Right here.
Yes. Okay, I'm cleaning triggerfish for these guys.
That's right.
Yes.
Shammy
Yeah.
Sammy.
SHAMMY.
Hell yeah.
White lobster, baby.
Woo! There's that. Oh, God. What I got? Oh, there you go. There you go.
Nice. Don't let him whoop you.
Woo!
Don't let him whoop you.
Come here, baby.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Don't get in the piling. Don't get in that piling. Yeah, I got this one.
Yeah, bring the jack up. Yeah, that's good.
He's skilled. He's got skill.
There we go.
Bring him out. That's mine.
There we go.
Put him down there. Put him down there on the ground.
Yeah, I'm good. I could have done this in about 5 hours.
There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh. Oh God, he broke me off.
No bloodline, right? Doesn't matter.
Oh, he got under that. Dude, that was a big
Get
one.
rid of it. Get rid of it.
All right, I'm gonna go grab another leader and another hook.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. That was crazy. I mean,
Right there. Come. Now, let me get the bag.
you gotta be. Yeah, I was gonna say you got a bag.
I'm gonna get the bag. I'm gonna separate the meat, okay?
All right.
But they're gonna be like bags that you take out. If you're gonna freeze it anyhow, so these bags are good.
Throw him back.
No. Put them there. That's good farm fry. He swallowed it.
Yeah, he did swallow it. Let me get my damn hook out of him though.
And look how beautiful that bonita looks, though. I mean, this jack.
Ow.
And that bonita be red, man. The jack will be looking red color. You know what that too is fresh, so we eat that shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we cook it, we don't see it. The him is more like, you know what I mean?
Is it? Remore. Sweet catch. It's freaking oh god, that's a giant freaking something right there. I don't know what it is, but I gotta get on him. I got it on now. God, I know they can probably see on this video them bulls down there. I know they can. They're huge. God, look at that one. Whew. That is crazy. That's a giant remora right there. Oh yeah, check this out. Oh, there's that jack right there. There's that jack right there. God, that remora. There's a jack. God, look at that remora. Oh, I see him.
Turn around, Jack. Turn around, Jack. Turn around,
Oof. Oof. There's a jack. There's a jack right there. There's a jack. Oh,
you gotta be. You know what? You got it. You got it.
Oh, all right. I got it away from him at least. Took my bait, but God, that jack is freaking nice, dude.
Grab the piece of controls, man.
Man, there's a big jack right here, and he keeps.
Hey, you know what?
What's up?
We got a couple things going for us. I always feel bad about this. Wasting your time and
God,
controlling.
oh my God. Oh my God, what is that? Is that a freaking cobia? No, it's not a remora. It's not a remora. I'm telling you, it's not a remora. Is it a remora? Damn, I think it is. Oh God, I thought it was freaking, dude, I want that jack right there. Dude! Oh, is he on that shark? Is he on that shark? No, he's not. Dude, that thing is freaking pulling hard, dude. Come here. God, that is a big freaking remora.
Hey, that song.
Woo, that's a big remora, dude. Oh my God. I got my camera on? Hell yeah, I got it on. God, that cooter right there is legit. Oh God, look at this big.
I ain't never caught a remora off the dock.
Dude.
10 pounds.
Good. That thing is big, dude. Dude, what's more fun than this? I mean, I don't even know. Whew, check that sucker out. That is a.
That bitch will give you a hickey from hell.
Dude, that is a giant remora. I don't want him to freaking stick to me. I mean, dude, he stick to you. You're legit. Yeah. He can get my shoe. I ain't worried about that. That's a big one, man. That was a big one. That is awesome. Dude, I gotta get.
You're catching a remora off the dock.
I know it. It's crazy.
Besides the bull shark?
Dude, they're monsters.